Hi everyone. Today we're going to study surface area and volume of a right circular cylinder. This is a picture of a right circular cylinder. A right circular cylinder is a three-dimensional solid shape that consists of two parallel bases linked by a closed circular surface where each base is like a circular disc in shape. The line that passes through the center or joins the centers of two circular bases is known as the axis of the right cylinder. The distance between the two bases of the cylinder is referred to as perpendicular distance, which is represented as height, h. The distance from the center to the outer boundary for either of the two bases is known as the radius, r. Now, let's write the formula. First is the lateral or curved surface area. Formula is 2 times pi times radius times height. For the total surface area, that is 2 pi r times the quantity r plus h. What about the volume? This is equal to pi r square h. Example 1. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeters is 88 square centimeters. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Assume that pi equals 22/7. We have a formula about lateral or curved surface area that is equal to 2 pi r h. We can rewrite our formula with respect to diameter. We know that 2 times r is equal to diameter. So the new formula will be pi d h. D here is the diameter. Now let us substitute the corresponding values. The area is given as 88 square centimeters equals pi is 22/7. D we write here and that is what we want. H is the 14 centimeters. Now let us multiply this equation by 7 so that the denominator 7 goes to the left side. So we have 88 times 7 equals 22d times 14. Simplifying the products, the left side becomes 616 equals 22 times 14 is 308. Then we copy the d. We solve for d. We divide this equation by 308. So d is equal to 2. And the unit of measurement, centimeters. This is the answer. Example 2. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeters from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the tank? Assume that pi equals 22/7. This problem corresponds to the total surface area, and we have this formula. Given in the problem, first is the height, that is 1 meter. Second is the diameter, given as 140 centimeters. In the formula, we need the radius. So when we divide this by 2, the radius will be 70 centimeters. Another consideration here is we need the area in terms of meters or square meters. The radius is in centimeter. Let's convert this into meter. So it becomes 0.7 meter. Now let us substitute the values in our formula. So we have 2 times the pi 22 over 7 times r, that is 0.7, times the quantity, the sum 0.7 plus 1. Simplifying, 2 times 22 over 7 will give us 44 over 7. Then the sum becomes 1.7. Using our calculator, we will get the simplified value as 7.48. This is the area in square meters. Example 3. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeters and its length is 120 centimeters. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in square meters. Assume that pi equals 22 over 7. Observe that the roller is cylindrical. Given in the problem is the length of the roller that is equal to the height of the cylinder, and the value is 120 centimeters. Also, diameter equals 84 centimeters. Now, let us compute for the curved surface area. Let us use the formula using diameter. So this is pi d h. Substituting the values, we have pi as 22 over 7, d is 84 centimeters, h is 120 centimeters. The answer here is 31,680 square centimeters. Let us find now the area of the field. So, 500 times the CSA, or the curved surface area of the roller. The value is here. So we have 500 times 31,680 square centimeters. This is 15,840,000 square centimeters. Observing our problem, we need the area in terms of square meters. The value here is in terms of square centimeters. To do that, we just divide this value by 10,000. So we have now 1,584 square meters. This is the answer.